Cursor. Cursor is a fork of VS Code, but it's specifically designed to enhance AI interactions, particularly around code completion, chat, and more AI-first approach to coding. It aims to deeply integrate AI into the development workflow. This deep integration is immediately apparent through its array of user-controlled mode, powerful settings, and groundbreaking agentic capabilities that extend beyond the editor itself. Agentic control and model selection. Within its chat interface, Cursor gives you direct control over how the AI behaves through a mode menu, which includes options for an agent mode, recommended, a standard ask mode, and a manual mode. This allows you to scale the AI's autonomy to fit your task. Further empowering this experience, the model menu provides access to a curated list of premium powerful models, including Claude Sonnet 4, Claude Sonnet 307, O3, Gemini 205 Pro, and GPT 401. You can either set this to auto and let Cursor select the best model for the job based on performance and speed, or engage the Max mode for complex tasks. This mode enables maximum context windows and tool calls specifically for advanced users who are cost insensitive. You can also provide additional context for the AI by adding repositories directly from the interface. Add context menu. The Add Context menu, accessed by clicking Add Context in the chat interface, is a cornerstone of Cursor's contextual awareness. This intuitive feature allows you to explicitly provide the AI with relevant information, enhancing its understanding and accuracy. You can easily add files, folders, or even specific code snippets as context, ensuring the AI has all the necessary details to generate accurate suggestions and resolve issues. This deep integration of context ensures Cursor's AI models can seamlessly understand and interact with your project, whether it's by referencing specific files, navigating directory structures, or interpreting documentation. Granular settings and privacy. Cursor's commitment to an AI-first experience is also clear in its granular settings. In the tab settings, you can fine-tune auto-completion behavior by enabling context-aware multi-line Cursor tab suggestions, partial accepts to accept the suggestion word by word, AI suggestions while writing commands, a beta feature for auto-importing Python modules. Critically, the General Setting tab features a dedicated privacy mode. When enabled, it ensures that your data will not be shared with or trained on by Cursor. The settings clearly state that with code storage off, features like background agent may not be available, giving you direct control over the balance between functionality and data privacy. Chat settings. Cursor's chat settings are designed for optimal AI interaction. Under Chat in Cursor setting, users can fine-tune how the AI behaves, including options like auto-accept on commit for seamless integration into your Git workflow, and auto-run for executing agent-generated commands without manual confirmation. Model settings. Furthermore, Cursor empowers users to leverage a variety of powerful AI models. As shown in Cursor setting, add more models. You can enable and disable various models like Gemini, GPT, and Claude, allowing you to choose the best fit for your coding tasks, from quick fixes to complex refactoring. Integration and background agents. Perhaps Cursor's most powerful feature is its deep integration beyond the editor, exemplified by its background agents. As you can see in the following screenshot of a Slack thread, you can invoke a Cursor agent directly from your team's conversation with the natural language command, such as @Cursor instrument LLM client with hotel. The agent acknowledges the command and launches a background task to complete the work. This capability is shown to be remarkably powerful. In other example, after being prompted with @Cursor make it happen, the agent autonomously enhanced the application's code to provide more detailed client information and allow custom headers, updated the getUserAgent function in the MCP commands .ts file provided a link to view the pull request on a new branch it automatically created. This ability to trigger complex context-aware coding tasks that result in ready-to-review pull requests all from outside the IDE shows a profound integration into the entire development lifecycle. These combined features showcase how Cursor is truly built from the ground up to place powerful, configurable, and deeply integrated AI at the very center of software development. Here is an example in which I used Cursor with Claude Sonnet 4 Max mode to transform my project's code base into insightful visualization. With just 2 targeted prompts, I was able to generate 2 distinct perspectives of my application's homepage layout. The first prompt is, please investigate the code base and give me a visualization of the home page layout and which component or service is responsible for each part in it. This prompt delivered a comprehensive component interaction diagram revealing the intricate relationships within my project. The second prompt is, please give me a visualization of the layout for the home page without a diagram, but painted, and mention which service or component is responsible for each part on it. This prompt rendered a clear high-level layout visualization perfect for understanding the structural hierarchy. This powerful combination of Cursor's intelligent environment and Claude Sonnet's analytical capabilities significantly streamlined my understanding of the code base and made complex architecture instantly digestible. Both Zed and Cursor are powerful alternatives for VS Code if you find AI integrations like GitHub Copilot not quite hitting the mark for your workflow. They are pushing the envelope on how AI can be a more natural and powerful part of your coding environment. If you are excited to diving deeper into the world of modern software engineering from architecture to cloud and security, check out my video courses where I explore these concepts further and tackle real-world challenges. The link to the courses is in the video description below. And here is a bonus. Subscribe to my newsletter and you will get free and discount access to my video courses.